Unlock the full power of your Facebook advertising by verifying your Shopify domain in Business Manager today. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard in the left-hand menu, locate and click on Online Store. Within the Online Store section, you'll see several options. We're looking for the domain settings. Clicking on this will take you to where your store's domain is managed. Here, you'll see your primary domain listed. This is the domain we need to verify with Facebook now. Let's switch over to Facebook Business Manager. Open up your Facebook Business Manager if you don't have it open already. Navigate to businessfacebook.com and log in. Once you're in Business Manager, locate and click on the Business Settings gear icon. This is usually found in the top left corner, or it might be a dedicated button to access your settings. In the Business Settings menu, we're going to look for the Brand Safety section. Expand this if it's not already open, and then click on Domains. On the Domains page, you'll see any domains you've already added. To add your Shopify domain, click the blue Add button. A small pop-up window will appear in the input field. Enter your Shopify store's domain name. Make sure you type it correctly. For example, your store name is Shopify if that's your primary domain, or your custom domain if you've connected one. After entering your domain, click Continue. Facebook will then present you with a few verification methods. The easiest and most recommended method for Shopify stores is typically adding a Metatag to your website's code. Facebook will provide you with a unique Metatag. Copy this entire tag, including the quotation marks. You'll need to paste this into your Shopify theme code. Back in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then click on Themes. Look for the Actions button next to your current theme and click Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the Theme Code Editor, you'll want to find the theme.liquid file. This is the main layout file for your store. Locate the closing less than head tag within this file. Carefully paste the Metatag that you copied from Facebook directly above the closing less than head tag. Ensure it's placed entirely within the head section of your code. Once pasted, click Save. Now return to your Facebook Business Manager Domains page and click the Verify Domain button. It might take a minute or two for Facebook to detect the Metatag and confirm verification. Congratulations! Your Shopify domain is now verified. This single step empowers you to leverage a wider range of Facebook advertising tools, enhance your audience targeting, and ensure your brand is accurately represented across all your Facebook marketing efforts.